Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, December 10th, 2019, and we are here in Huntsville, Alabama, just finishing getting unloaded. Thanks for joining me. All right, guys, we got us a load. We're kind of headed over that way now to South Haven, Mississippi. Picking up a load going up to Costello, New York, which we deliver on Thursday. And the rain is starting up again here. Still about 40 degrees, but the temperature's dropping. So they're expecting a little bit of wintry mix here. Just got to make sure we get over to South Haven, Mississippi by 3 o'clock to pick up. Yeah, it's pretty windy out. Getting a pretty strong wind from the northwest now. Yeah, my voice is still shot, guys, so probably today just be a lot of driving footage. All right, guys, we just came into Mississippi. Starting to get a little bit of wintry mix here. Oh, it's not really showing up on the video very much. About 2 more hours and we'll be over at our pickup in South Haven, Mississippi. All right, we're here at the shipper. Okay guys, we got a door sign, number 6 here. We got to unhook the tractor while they load it. Yeah, that's about centered. Do-do-do. Boom. There we are. All right, let's get her unhooked. Alrighty guys, we are out here rolling. We got a total of 1,184 miles to go up to Costello, New York. I only got 6 hours and 25 minutes left I can drive today, so we're only going to be doing another 350 miles, I guess. Something like that. Still haven't decided which way I'm going to go up to Costello. I could stay on I-40 all the way over to Knoxville and go up 81, or go over to Nashville and go up 65 and 71 into Ohio. I really don't have to make up my mind till I get to Nashville, which is a few hours away yet. Right now we're on 269 to the southeast side of Memphis right now. We'll be coming up an I-40 in about 6 miles, and we're going to be going east on I-40. Pretty decent load. It only weighs 4,500 pounds, so like running empty, I guess. Didn't take them very long to load it either. Yeah, I got to stop somewhere and get some fuel along the way here. Down to about a quarter tank down, so guess we'll buy some fuel in Tennessee. All right, we're just about to get off the highway here. We made it up past Louisville, Kentucky. We're on 71 here between Louisville and Cincinnati. So I apologize again, my voice is totally shot right now. Yeah, we're going to go in this Pilot here, see if we can find a place to park. All right, guys, we are in our parking spot here. It was a blind side back, but we got in here okay. Had to get out and look a bunch of times, but that's the way to do it. Better than running into something. Okay, that's going to do it for today because I can't talk. And we'll see you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you later. Bye for now.